There's a reason that the Mahakumbh is referred to as the world's largest human gathering, because in the last 24 hours, since the Amrit Snan actually kicked off at about 3 a.m. this morning, you've had 3.5 crore devotees visiting the Mahakumbh, taking a holy dip here. Yesterday, on day one, 1.5 crore devotees. Today, 3.5 crore devotees, and that really shows you how you've got people coming from across the country and actually across the world here to be a part of this festival, to be a part of the spectacle and this phenomenon called the Mahakumbh. Absolutely astounding, really, that 3.5 crore devotees came together. And mind you, all of it so well organized that there's been no chaos, no sort of, any sort of stampede or any of that breaking out. Everything seamlessly has moved forward. Devotees who wanted to take a holy dip have managed to do so. The Nag Sadhus who insist on ensuring that the ghats are cleared before they take a holy dip, that was done too by the officials. So it's absolutely amazing to see the kind of steps that have been taken for the Mahakumbh. You've heard in our report previously also with many of the devotees referring to the kind of preparations that have been made, simply because you've got 3.5 crore devotees who came here for the Mahakumbh in a single day. And yet everything managed absolutely smoothly. So clearly, on the most auspicious day of Makar Sankranti, you've had hordes of Hindu devotees coming here to the Mahakumbh, taking a dip in the Triveni Sangam.